Good afternoon, folks. This is the same location where we had the snow-covered trees just a few hours later, and as you can see, it's all but gone. We warmed up considerably, and now we have a scene reminiscent of what you would find in early spring. But just look at this. What a difference a day makes. This whole road was all wet and stuff. Now, it's gone. Every last bit of it. All the trees were covered. The street looked really pretty. But like I said, we warmed up a whole lot, and all the snow is gone. There's only small patches, if not really a few coatings left. But Saturday will be much more fierce than what we had today. It's a strong nor'easter, and the potential for a heavy snow is getting better and better and better as the models keep showing us that the significant snow will be increasing. It'll start Friday night or Saturday and last all day. But as you can see, when we woke up this morning, this is what we had. Now, look at it later. It's all gone. Much of this melted.